Hi guys, this is FD465.tv once more back with another video. It's been a while since we last shared some Moonbeam updates and a lot has happened since our last Moonbeam update video. Now, what I'm going to share with you guys in this video is just for educational as well as entertainment purposes. Do not treat it as financial advice. Why? Because I'm not a trained financial advisor, therefore I cannot give you financial advice. Anyway, Moonbeam is the leading Polkadot parachain. It is a smart contract platform for cross-chain connected applications that unites functionality from Ethereum, Cosmos, Polkadot, and beyond. Moonbeam is the leading Ethereum-compatible smart contract parachain on Polkadot, and its sister canary network Moonriver, which is on Kusama network. Moonriver providing a permanently incentivized canary network, utilizing an Ethereum-compatible smart contract environment or EVM and Web3 compatible APIs. Moonbeam and Moonriver allow developers to leverage existing Ethereum-based tools and resources while also benefiting from the enhanced scalability, interoperability, and security offered by Polkadot and Kusama networks. Now, let's jump straight into the updates that Moonbeam and Moonriver have had during the past few weeks or months. Starting with one of the latest Moonbeam and Moonriver integration, we're starting with Bounce Finance, an auction as a service crypto project. Bounce fully decentralized auction platform uses blockchain technology to ensure more transparent, efficient, and accessible auctioning, bidding, and buying processes for Web3 users. The types of auctions on offer from Bounce Finance include fixed price auctions, English auctions, Dutch auctions, which are similar to what Polkadot uses for its parachain auctions, sealed bids auctions, random selection auctions, playable auctions, order book auctions, hold to compete auctions, token and NFT auctions, NFT only auctions, real world collections NFTs. Bounce Finance's integration with Moonbeam and Moonriver not only enhances Bounce Finance's multi-chain offerings, but it also brings a host of technical benefits to its users. The key features of this latest integrations with Bounce Finance include advanced cross-chain interaction. This will allow for seamless cross-chain transactions, enabling users to access a broad range of decentralized applications, assets, and services across the Ethereum, Polkadot, and Kusama ecosystem. The resulting increased interoperability promotes more connected, diverse, and efficient DeFi environments. The next key feature is that of secure and efficient infrastructure. Moonbeam and Moonriver utilize a consensus mechanism and parachain architecture, providing an added layer of protection and ensuring a more resilient and efficient auction experience. By integrating with Moonbeam and Moonriver, Bounce Finance leverages their unique infrastructure to offer secure, efficient, and scalable decentralized auction solutions. So this is indeed a mutually beneficial tie-up, so to speak. The next feature is the adoption of mutually beneficial cutting-edge technologies. Supporting Moonbeam and Moonriver ensures that Bounce Finance remains at the forefront of DeFi innovation, offering its users the latest technologies and developments within the space. As the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystems continue to grow, so does the potential for new opportunities for Bounce Finance's users. This also means a plethora of auctions are coming to both Moonbeam and Moonriver users, an added use case. The fourth feature is that of bridging pioneering multi-chain decentralized auctions to both Moonbeam and Moonriver. This empowers users to experience decentralized auctions with the benefits of cross-chain transactions and a secure, efficient infrastructure. This multi-chain tie-up exposes the Moonbeam and Moonriver communities to cutting-edge decentralized auction technologies from Bounce Finance, thereby providing users with an unparalleled range of choices, flexibility, and opportunities in the rapidly evolving DeFi landscape. We will certainly be performing a DYO or risk evaluation on Bounce Finance sometime soon. It looks like it is a great project with plenty to offer. Anyway, that's that on Bounce Finance tie-up with Moonbeam. The next update on Moonbeam is around its governance process. Moonbeam has released its open governance on Moonriver as part of runtime 2100 after passing of referendum 128. OpenGov on Moonriver was discussed in a community forum and an on-chain signal vote was taken to document the community's opinions and suggestions. The governance process and referenda resulted in the approval of the Moonriver OpenGov proposal. In version 1 of governance, most proposals were processed in the same way. Some proposals could be fast-tracked and the council had some different voting standards. Yes, there was a council, which made it somehow decentralized as well the voting process. Whereas with OpenGov or Open Governance, the nature of the proposals determines the amount of time and participation required to approve or reject proposals. This streamlining ensures the governance process can help support the growth and needs of the community. Open Governance on Moonriver uses origins and tracks to organize proposals into streams. Each origin has a specified number of tracks that determine the number of referenda that can happen at the same time and the parameters for approval. Think of origins as the level of permission needed for a change to be implemented. implemented. The deepest origin is called root origin, which is where the most significant changes to the network can happen. The various tracks each serve a specific purpose and have different requirements for capacity, decision deposits, preparation, confirmation, and enactment periods. A number of factors have been taken into consideration in determining these requirements. These parameters will be audited after deployment and adjusted as required via democracy. That's that on the Open Governance update on Moonriver, which will be coming to Moonbeam if it's not already there. The third update involves the transferring of tokens from Axelar to Centrifuge through Moonbeam's connected smart contract. Combining Moonbeam's precompiled smart contracts abilities to interact with Polkadot specific technology with Axelar's general message passing allows for unique interactions that are not possible on other chains. To understand more about Axelar's general message passing or GMP, let's explore what Axelar is and what it brings to the table for the likes of Moonbeam and Moonriver. Axelar is a blockchain that connects blockchains, delivering secure cross-chain communication. Every validator in Axelar's network runs light nodes on-chain that Axelar supports. This dynamic validator set achieves consensus to confirm that messages are being sent from one chain to another by monitoring each chain's Axelar gateway contract. With Axelar, a new concept is introduced into Polkadot and Kusama networks vocabulary, that of parachain jumping. Axelar will help get tokens from non-Polkadot chains to Moonbeam. But how will those bridge tokens get from Moonbeam to other parachains? Well, enter Moonbeam. Moonbeam allows developers to create cross-chain assets or XCM assets known as mintable XC20s that can be bridged to other parachains through Polkadot's cross-consensus messaging. These cross-consensus messaging assets act like normal ERC20 tokens on the Moonbeam network, so they can be minted, burned, and transferred with smart contracts. Using the X tokens precompiled smart contract, developers can send these tokens to other chains using typical Solidity smart contract. Axelar has written a smart contract specifically for Moonbeam that wraps its bridged tokens into mintable XC20, allowing Axelar tokens to reach the rest of the Polkadot ecosystem through Moonbeam. This contract is yet to deploy on the mainnet, but it serves as an example of how a wrapper contract can be used for bridge assets. But this time maybe it's already deployed. Never know. If you know any different, guys, let us know in the comment section. Whilst you're down there, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Anyway, now the not so positive updates. The Moonbeam network experienced block production issues following the runtime upgrade to 2201 or 2201 starting at around 10:45 Eastern Standard Time on the 5th of April 2023. The Moonriver network was not affected by this issue. The root cause of the Moonbeam blockchain production issue was identified and the team subsequently deployed a solution in the form of a client upgrade. As far as I understand, Moonbeam is now producing blocks. At the time of the fix, block production was expected to continue to ramp up as all nodes updated to the latest version, which is version 0.30.3. And if you have been following us for a while, you should be aware that this is not the first time Moonbeam has been involved or impacted by performance and or security issues. Back in 2022, Moonbeam got caught up in the Nomad Bridge hack, and there were some suggestions that the Moonbeam team may have made a deliberate move to select Nomad Bridge as their preferred bridging solution. That didn't end well, did it? Anyway, live and learn, right? Let's hope they are learning as they go. There you have it, folks, and these are just some of the latest Moonbeam updates. There are plenty more, so please do follow Moonbeam Network on Twitter for more details on what the team and the community are up to. As far as we are concerned here at Centrifuge.tv, we still hold Moonbeam within our public portfolios, both the 2K to 100K public portfolio as well as the 15K to 600K public portfolio. That is how much we believe in Moonbeam, and we remain bullish. I must also add that I do hold the GLMR token in my private portfolio as well. So you can tell Moonbeam is a cryptocurrency that we value very highly, and we look forward to what Moonbeam will achieve come the top of the next bull run. As for you guys, any interesting price predictions for Moonbeam and this GLMR token come the top of the next bull run? Let us know in the comment section. Also down there, guys, if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to Centrifuge.tv. We do dish some alpha that you cannot find on any other channel here on YouTube. Until next time, guys, this is FD signing out for now. Bye.